I'm your digital jockey. I'm at the Hyundai Lounge Bar with our presenters Juhi and Gunjan. Could you give a little smile and wave to the camera?
You're being nice right now. Yeah.
So what we're going to do here is we're just going to make some mocktails for them because as an anchor, you always have to be energetic whether you're... Oh, by the way, incidentally, it's Juhi's birthday today.
It is.
So like...
She sent cash or gold or whatever comes first. Yeah, I'll send you my address after.
So what's up? And that was Gunjan's generous gift.
Right.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to give them some refreshments, some drinks, probably like stir them up again because being an anchor, you have to be happy all the time. How do you deal with that?
Well, I have a great childhood. So, I did some naturally. Yeah. I have nothing to complain about. Plus, our job is a lot of fun.
Gunjan is not
Gunjan is tiny, just
The reason Gunjan is like this because he got kissed by a man today on stage. So he's still recovering from it.
I need a hard drink.
But unfortunately,
I had to save him, and he's an amazing person to work with. And then I saw that happen, that whole horrible stuff
This
that
was
happened.
unbelievable. I got kissed by a man.
I mean, it's not fun, right? I mean, who does that?
alright, wait.
I am that popular.
Ladies and gentlemen, the attention's here. This is about me. It's always been about you throughout this festival. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a simple cocktail. You guys okay with cucumber?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't really had a cocktail.
It's a mocktail. Like, we do not have alcohol mocktail. So, if you got any problems there, you can take it up with your dad. So, one of the things we're going to do is we're going to
Living daylight happens.
By the way, just out of sheer this thing, Juhi also used to be a bartender.
I used to be a bartender in college.
Move that
This
thing.
is extra pressure on me.
You know how it is. I'm going to be very fussy. So you got to get it all right. I don't get it right at all.
Oh my god. So what we've done is muddled some cucumber. There's going to be a sour drink. And
Yeah.
I saw that. The completeness of the high five.
That's how we do it. That's what we do.
It wasn't a
That
miss.
has
Are
to
you
be
saying it was a
You
the
miss high
worst
fives.
save on the face of the year.
miss? Is he saying it was a miss?
Cool.
It's okay.
Oh,
We
I
had
lost.
one.
And some cranberry juice. This will be a sort of...
I have like about 50 jokes for this one.
No,
But I'm not going
please.
to crack them.
Just one.
No, I'm going to let it be. I'm just saying go watch The Departed. It's a film with Leonardo DiCaprio. Watch it. There's a scene in the bar with him sitting and ordering a drink. That's what we need to watch. That's why he likes cranberry juice so much. Reference the context from the film.
Me. The reason I like using cranberry juice to mix it with the ladies is supposed to like it. And it's not worked so
I'm just trying
far.
to be nice.
It's not worked so far, but... And then we've got... No, wait! Not yet.
It's going to take...
No, it's done. It's ready.
We'll act busy because that's what people do. They check that forward and what.
Yeah, when they're feeling lonely.
Well, I'm feeling lonely because, hey, it is really tough at the top. By myself, maybe Gunjan for company.
Okay, fine.
I don't want to talk. When Mandava is talking, I can't talk.
It affects you, right?
Oh, Gunjan's
It hurts your
basically-
rib cage.
It doesn't hurt
His voice comes and
my
attacks
nervous
your
system
lungs.
breaks down. It's like neurons hitting it.
We bleed from every orifice.
And
Terrible.
I always used to believe that it's only the MBA students who have to keep a track of all the nonsense stuff in the world. But ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to somebody better than them.
Raghav Mandava.
He knows about
Yes.
all the shittiest stuff which is unimportant to the world.
And he will blast it at you like
Oh.
neutrinos
Oh.
all the time.
Who told me to look up the fight and reconciliation of overall
And,
and
How is that
Titania.
rubbish? I'm talking about really classical
Well,
art
Midsummer
by
Night's
Tom
Dream.
Sanchez.
So,
Cheers.
but tell me how the drink is. The people who are watching this video
It's actually really nice.
can get back to doing what they want
It's
to do.
really nice.
Seriously.
Yeah.
We're not doing that for the camera.
What have I done for the camera which is polite? This is
Yeah.
actually really nice.
Slide sip.
No, this is good. This is actually good. I don't know what shit is it, but
It's
got
cucumber, cranberry, and
Sprite.
it's very simple.
now
7
Raghav
Up
is going
actually.
to have his own kukri show in Nepal.
In what?
Kukri show.
Kukri show.
Kukri show in Nepal.
Kukri show. Alright, that's all we've got for you. As you
I'm
know,
hoping one of these days his hand doesn't come and land on my
Exactly.
face and him.
as you know, it's not... Let me finish this.
Sorry.
We need to get back to Facebook in order.
15 मिनट से तू बोल रहा है हमने 1 मिनट बोल लिया तो आग लगी
On that very polite note, Raghav Mandava, Gunjan Netreja and Joey Pandey, happy birthday once again.
Thank you.
Celebrating another trip around the sun.
Woo!
And can see, it's not all work and just you
Mandawa,
know.
There's no
meet me in my
We're having a
room.
lot of fun out
Meet
here.
me in my room. I want to talk to you.
Thank you.